Hello dear students, today we are here again with a new video of General Science Standard 7th, and our today's topic is measurement of the physical quantities. What are the physical quantities? First we will see about the physical quantity. Physical quantities are such as mass, distance, speed, temperature, volume are known as physical quantity. The measurable quantities are the physical quantities. As we know in our day-to-day life, we use these all parameters to measure the physical things. Like when we go in shop, we purchase the things by using the mass. When we are going on road, we calculate the distance with kilometers. Speed we are seeing that how much speed the car is running on. We see the body temperature. We are using the volume when we purchase the milk or kerosene, whichever things, petrols. We see the volume, that how many liters we are purchasing. So these parameters are physical quantities which we are using in our day-to-day life. Physical quantities are further classified into two types, scalar quantity and vector quantity. What do you mean by scalar quantity? Scalar quantity is the quantity which is expressed in magnitude alone. So the word magnitude is very important when we are learning about a scalar. But in terms of vector, the quantity that is expressed with magnitude and direction. These words are very important. When we are seeing about the scalar, only magnitude is depends. It does not depends upon direction. Your direction doesn't play a role. Like when you are measuring a distance, that is length, in that time no problem if you measure from right to left or from left to right. Distance will be same. Even if I say that if I want to measure the distance of the pen or marker, so I can start measuring it from here to here. If it is 6 cm, even if I measure from here to here, that is from left to right, the answer will be 6 cm. So here distance is measured in the scalar quantity because in both sides, like length is there, breadth is also the same thing. If you are measuring the breadth, like from top to bottom or from bottom to top, the answer will be one and the same. Temperature, density, time, work, these all are scalar things. Here direction does not depend. But when we are measuring the vector quantity, the direction plays an important role along with the magnitude. For example, weight. The weight is measured with the help of the gravity. Like when we are on the earth, our body weight is different. But when we go on moon, the weight changes. It is 1/6. So the weight is depending upon the gravity, and gravity is a downward pull. So downward means what? We are showing a direction. So when a direction comes, that time we have to use the word vector. Same thing is with the speed. The car moves with the speed to a direction, that is from east to west. So the speed is also one of the factor which we have to think, that it is also generally showing us the direction. Like a fan is moving, but it is moving in which way? Clockwise or anti-clockwise. So when the direction plays a role, that time it becomes a vector, and when direction does not play a role, it is a scalar quantity. Let us see about the standardized measurement. What is the meaning of standardized measurement? The measurement of a standard things, that is standardized measures, are required to measure the things, also called as a standard unit. Like when we go in market, we say that give us 1 kg of potato. So kg is nothing but a unit. Like 100 or we can say 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. When we say about 1 liter, that is 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So they are all standard. The word standard means it is a fixed unit. You cannot change those units. Even if you purchase something in India, like if you purchase 1 kg of sugar in India, and if you go in America and you say I have to purchase 1 kg of sugar, the unit will be one and the same. The kg will not change even if you move from one country to another country. System used in measurement. There are two different systems. One is MCAS, one is CGS. What is meaning of MCAS? M is meter. The mass is, we can say the length is measured in meter. The weight is measured in kilograms. And time is measured in seconds. That is MKS. Length will be measured in meter. Weight, that is mass, will be measured in kilograms. And time will be measured in seconds. But when we are talking about a CGS unit, CGS means meter will be converting into centimeter, kilogram will get converted into grams, but time will be measured in seconds. So in MKS system, the metric system, that is the international units, when they are using, they use meter, kilograms and second. And when we are going for a CGS system, that is centimeter, gram and seconds. Let us see few examples. First example is mass. When we are calculating a mass in MKS, the mass is in kg and in CGS it is in grams. When we are calculating distance in MKS system, it is meter, and in CGS system it is centimeter. When we are calculating time in MKS system, it is seconds. So MKS system will say second, and in CGS system it is also the same, that is seconds. When we are calculating speed, that is in MKS system it is meter per second, and when in CGS system the speed will be calculated centimeter per second. So these are the different units. What about international system units? International system units have 7 fundamental parameters and it is accepted all over the world. That's why it is known as System International, and we cannot change this because it is controlled by the international systems. Now next thing, what about the we can say accurate measurement. Accurate measurements are generally taken up with the standard units. We cannot use a span of hand. In olden days, the foot was calculated from year to year, that is 1 foot. But in modern world, the accurate measurements are taken by using the parameters. Like span is not used of hand. Instead of that, we use scale. The weights are also given, like kilogram weight is given. Standard weights. When we go to purchase gold, the standard weights are seen. Again one thing, the errors are also generally seen when measuring the weights. Errors. What is meaning of errors? Error means when you are not calculating the things properly. Like if you don't know how to use the device, that will be error. If you not know how to operate it, that is an error. So calculation improper way will be called as errors. So I hope you understood our today's topic of physical quantity. Thank you for watching the video.